Moen offers a distinctive line of bath accessories, such as towel rings, robe hooks, towel bars, and paper holders to help you create a perfectly coordinated bath. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a single-post bath accessory into drywall using an anchor as opposed to mounting it to a stud in the wall. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, level, hammer, tape measure, pencil, and safety glasses. Step 2. Remove the mounting bracket from the accessory post. Your bath accessory will have one of two mounting bracket designs. They look slightly different, but are installed in the same way. The mounting bracket is secured to the accessory post with a set screw. To remove the bracket, simply loosen the set screw with the Allen wrench provided in your hardware kit. Step 3. Determine placement and mount the bracket. Decide where you'd like to mount the accessory on the wall. Then, place the mounting bracket at this location. Make sure the up symbol on the bracket is pointing up. Use a level to ensure the bracket is even. Mark 2 opposing mounting holes. In your hardware kit, you'll find one of 3 anchor styles. Each anchor requires a different drill bit size. Be sure to use the drill bit size that corresponds with the anchor style in your hardware kit. In this video, we'll be installing the plastic toggle anchor, which requires a 5/16 drill bit. Drill 2 opposing mounting holes. Fold the ends of each anchor together and insert them into the holes. Lightly tap the anchors with a hammer until flush with the wall. Then, insert the red plastic pin into each anchor to activate. Position the mounting bracket over the holes and thread the screws until tight. Be sure to not over-tighten. The last step is attaching the accessory post to the mounting bracket. Place the accessory post on the mounting bracket with the set screw facing down. Using the provided Allen wrench, tighten the set screw to secure the post in place. Congratulations, your job is finished. Installing a single post bath accessory is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. For more information about Moen and our products, call Moen Consumer Services.